Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale alternative dispute resolution with a DR.org detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale alternative dispute resolution with a DR.org, begin by understanding the scope of your needs. Identify the types of disputes commonly faced in your organization. Research the specific services offered by ADR.org to align them with your needs. Utilize ADR.org's resources to better understand the benefits of alternative dispute resolution. Assess the current resolution processes in place within your organization. Gather feedback from stakeholders on the effectiveness of existing dispute resolution methods. Consider the training and development opportunities available through ADR.org for your team. Develop a tailored implementation plan focusing on how to integrate ADR solutions into your processes. Engage with ADR.org representatives to discuss potential partnerships or support. Host informational sessions to educate your team about the value of using ADR.org. Implement pilot programs to test the effectiveness of ADR solutions in real scenarios. Monitor the outcomes of these pilot programs closely to gather data. Adjust your approach based on the feedback received from participants during the pilot phase. Expand the use of ADR solutions to other areas of your organization based on initial successes. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of the implemented ADR strategies. Stay updated on best practices and innovations in alternative dispute resolution through ADR.org. Encourage open communication among team members regarding dispute resolution experiences. Maintain a feedback loop to ensure continuous improvement in the use of ADR. Promote a culture of conflict resolution within your organization. Keep stakeholders informed about the progress and benefits derived from using ADR.org. Document and share success stories to build momentum and support for scaling ADR practices. Utilize data collected to make a compelling case for further integration of ADR in your organization. Engage in regular check-ins with ADR.org to refine strategies and troubleshoot challenges as they arise. Celebrate milestones achieved in the integration and scaling of alternative dispute resolution within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.